Hey guys, super short video today. This is the Lila's Chef Kitchen series blind box. Now this has been a very interesting experience. I ordered it. It's a little bit bent in shipping, but that's fine. But when it came, it says even up here that it's like one random piece, right? But one random box. You can see that it's taped up. And when I take a kind of like a quick look at it here, I can see that someone has obviously ripped it open already. So the surprise is basically spoiled for whoever opened it. And I'm just kind of like, this is my second time opening it, which is interesting. I bought this brand new. This shouldn't have happened, but you know, such is life. All right. So which one do I want? These ones are so cute. You can see that they're supposed to each have a little like bobbit up at the top. And then after they have all these different clothes. So I think for sure my favorites are definitely these two. Just because they are more intricate. There's this thing on the side. I really like this one because I know that it's like a taro mousse. But tell me that that doesn't look like a little poop. So cute. So that's probably my favorite. And then I also like, obviously, this one, and I like these two. The ones I dislike the most are these two. If I got this one, I would still be okay. But if I got this one, like, she'd have to go. So let's see what we get in Lila's Chef Kitchen. This is also from Cure Planeta as well. And when I scan this QR code, it brings me to like a WeChat page. I don't have WeChat. But if you had WeChat, you could probably then confirm it later. But here we go. All right. I hope I don't get double spoiled. Let's just open that up. Let's make sure the card isn't somewhere weird. Okay. Not gonna look at that. Artwork is also so cute for the chef series. Normally I don't really like Liila. I feel like I like things with a little bit more detail, not in the sense of like the plush itself, but maybe like in their wardrobe. So I'm really hoping that this one kind of lives up to the hype. It feels pretty substantial, a bit larger than I thought. I mean, I know the bag is big, but all right. Oh, that was a bad rip, but oh well. Okay, let me see. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Oh, okay, okay. I'm not sure. Oh, it's one of the ones I wanted. It's one of the ones that I liked. Not the poop one, but no, sorry, I shouldn't say it's the poop one. Okay, Lila's Lucky Cat. It's long. This tag is quite long. All the tags. This is just like in Baby 3 as well. Oh, her feet are big. Okay. Da, 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 da. Oh, she's quite cute. She's like a cat. But does she not have a thing at the top? Isn't she supposed to have a thing there? Let me take a quick look again. I thought she was supposed to have the leaf. Am I missing? Oh! Leaf is in here. I am silly. Okay. Let's see how we can attach this. First of all, this is super cute. Okay, there's a couple of loose threads, but sometimes that is to be expected. You just got to get rid of it. Let's just snip that off now before I forget. Okay. And here as well. So there's some quality issues, you can see. They're not big, at least from what I'm seeing right now, but okay. So we have that and one more. Liila's are also not particularly expensive, so I don't really expect them to be too great in quality, but let's make sure that's on. Tie one more. I wish I didn't put on nails ready for this. Sometimes like the nails are cute, but the effort is magnified. Okay. Almost there. And there we go. Okay. It's got 2 legs. She's a little bit. Her hands, like this. It's showing up a lot more like a yellowish color on the camera, but I can assure you that this is like peach. It's like a really standard like peachy, pinkish sort of skin color. Okay, face is super matte. It feels really, oh, these are, sorry, my hair got in the way. These are like 3D. I don't know if you can see it, but they feel 3D. Oh, these eyes also, like, they stare at you along the way. She's a little cat, so cute. All right, I have no idea how I'm gonna attach this, like, without losing it, too. She has one of these. She's probably somehow, like, over the head, over the... Okay, and then maybe, like, just, like this. It's held there by the tension of the band. This is gonna fall right off. Like, I can tell you already, it's gonna pop right off. I'm just gonna probably, yeah, if it was the poop, it would definitely fall off too. Actually, I'm pretty glad I didn't get the poop, or else I'd, like, where do I even attach this guy? I don't know. I'll figure out where I'm gonna attach that, but it's so cute. This is so long, which is actually sometimes good, because sometimes you want to attach, instead of attaching something just by the ring, you kind of like turn it around and then loop it in here so that it's like a tighter hold. Overall, I think that she's cute. Look at her. Okay, does she smell though? No, not that I can smell. I also just unboxed a Yuki, and it's like my entire room just smells like honeydew right now, so I can't really tell. But she's cute. I would definitely collect more Liilas. I recommend this. I think that other than a few minor QC things, like a little bit of threading, she looks good overall. The hands and feet move. This one's a bit tight, but they move. They're not super loose, but they are also not super tight. This is embroidered, which is nice. The ears have a 2-tone fuzz here, which is cute. And the eyes are so cool, interesting, so pretty. All right, so with that, I'll see you guys later. Bye. And let me know, actually, I always say bye before I finish talking about, oh my god. Let me know if you guys have Liila's, like, cat, any of them. There's a chef kitten, there's like the Lucky Cat series, there's a whole bunch of different Liilas. Let me know if you guys have one of these, what you think about them, if these like faces are interchangeable, do you like them, and etc. Also, let me know if you guys have any recommendations for different blind box plushes and etc. And yeah, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys later. Bye.